Hello from AlphaCars, my name is Dan, and today we're checking out this 2012 Lexus LS460 all-wheel drive with just a little bit over 33,000 miles. Checking out the exterior, it is blue mica. And this thing is in fantastic condition. Originally from Maryland. Showing very minimal signs of wear at all on the exterior. The blue mica paint is all original. It shows wonderfully. We'll be stepping inside in a second. We just replaced all 4 tires with Pirellis. Stepping inside on the passenger side, wonderful, nice tan interior is in fantastic condition as well. Really no signs of wear at all on the interior when we got the vehicle. In fact, the sill panel is still covered in plastic from the original delivery. It does have the navigation, the premium sound, Lexus premium sound system, a full set of owner's manuals, and all the additional documentation that goes with that. Heated and cooled front seats, operated by a little dial there. And moving into the center console, this is a great alternative to a BMW 7 Series or even a Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Very comparable in size. A lot of the great same luxury features. Beautiful, beautiful craftsmanship on the leather. The headliner is flawless. Door pockets, everything is beautiful. Stepping into the rear, this one does have the luxury package and premium luxury package. So it has heated rear seats, activated, same little dial that you would see in the front as well. Rear sunblind that fully operates. And rear vents, and your cup holders and storage compartments. Very comfortable rear seats as well. Checking out the trunk real quick. It is power operated. Nice set of floor mats. They are a dark brown color. Nice little contrast. They are factory original. You have a cargo mat, and underneath you have your traditional cargo floor. Equally great condition. You have your little first aid kit on the side here. And lifting up the cargo tray, we'll see a full-size spare tire. Something that you don't see too often these days. And all the tools that go with it. Power closing trunk. Checking out the driver's side, rear seat. Same story, beautiful condition. Leather, it really looks like nobody's ever actually sat back here. It's in that great condition. Little door pockets, beautifully clean inside. Probably have never been used, given the low mileage. Stepping behind the driver's seat. Door cards. Really no signs of any major wear. The color is consistent throughout. Even the wood trim paneling is free of any cracks or blemishes. You do have a couple cool features on the driver's side. You have your lumbar support, and you have the ability to scooch out the rear cushion if you have longer torso or longer legs and need a little bit more extra support. controls on the left-hand side. Automatic folding mirrors. When your car's in park, when you walk away, the mirrors will automatically fold. Heated steering wheel, eco mode, parking sensors, traction control, your mirror controls, all on the left-hand side. Stepping behind the wheel, see, 33,928 miles. Your phone controls on the right-hand side. Display for your center display up there. Cruise control. Automatic parking brake. On the left here, you have your functions for the radio, mode button for the radio and CD and auxiliary, volume control, and voice activation for a lot of your other controls. As I stated, it does have a navigation system. Bluetooth, satellite radio, traditional FM and AM, a lot of other functions. Dual climate control up front. Right now it is set in single mode, but very responsive, very nice system. Great sound system. And a great looking vehicle altogether. Nice sunroof. Here are your seating controls for heated and cooled front seats. Snow mode. This vehicle is all-wheel drive, as I said, but it does help to adjust the setting just so you have a little bit more extra traction during the snow. Rear seat heating, which can be turned on and off from the front, and the rear window blind as well. And passenger controls here. Let's step back outside. Check under the hood. Now, this being a Lexus, there's not much you can see under the hood, but it is exceptionally clean as well. It is a 4.6 liter V8. And is really quiet. It's one of the older engines in Lexus's lineup, but it is silky smooth, great power delivery, and as you can see, massive. Even underneath this engine cover is a big engine. Easily propels this vehicle. Well, if you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call. 978-263-9000. Check us out on the web at alphacars.com, or feel free to stop into one of our showrooms. We'd love to see you. Thank you very much, and have a great rest of your day.